My name is Robert Hensley, and I've been working at Metrotech here for 22 years, and at this time I'm teaching airframe. We only teach in the classroom about 30%, the other 70% we actually hands-on, and we take flight controls off, the primary and the secondary flight controls, and we do a weight and balance on them just like you would in the field. We go through sheet metal, and then we go into hydraulics and landing gear, and then we go into inspections, and we have a few other things there, the communications, ComNav, stuff like that too.
My name is Julius Auge, and I am a student here at the Aviation Metro Technology Center, and I'm currently in the power plant ratings class. Some things that we're studying is like human factors, things that are safety precautions, things that you have to be aware of. We also learn about aircraft engines. We also learn about corrosion, multiple different safety hazards that can be prevented by preventative maintenance.
My name's Greg Cunningham. I'm currently a student enrolled here at the Aviation Career Campus in Metrotech. I'm in the AMT program, Aviation Maintenance Technician. We're studying all aspects of the aircraft industry, from the actual body of the airplane all the way down to the engines and how everything interconnects.
Career techs are really good, I think. We actually teach them how to do something instead of from the book. There's one time where an old supervisor and I were walking down someplace, and the general came up to us and said, the career tech guys are pretty awesome. I said, well, what do you mean? He said, well, we get a career tech guy and we hire him. A week later, they're hitting the ground running, and they're teaching some of our older guys how to do it correctly.
For careers in aerospace and as maintenance technician, definitely make sure that you pay attention to your science, your technology, your mathematics. Those things are really big, and get as much hands-on experience as you can. If there's something that needs to be taken apart and tried to fix, try it out.
See someone else maybe work on a car, and observe other people who are certified, working on different components. It doesn't have to be aircrafts, it could be cars. And if you observe, you can learn a lot. My plan is to get to Delta Airlines, Southwest Airlines, maybe even SkyWest if possible. So I definitely want to be able to expand my expertise and my experiences, the things that I've learned here. I think this is a great school. I think this place has a lot of opportunities, and I think this should be a good place that you could choose, if you wanted to be a student.